Way they go. Dragon May from the outside is Magic Chant fast forward. It's Dragon May, the favorite by half a length, followed by Magic Chant. Racing on the outside is fast forward. Emergency Call is running in fourth by Doral. Moving up now, taking the fifth spot is Show Me Magic. Running down on the inside is Brad. And Hero's Honor is the tail ender. Back to the front runner, Dragon May, the favorite, followed now by Emergency Call by Doral. In between runners, Magic Chant fast forward. Brad is racing in fifth and Show Me Magic. And rounding the far turn, Dragon May still hanging to that half-length lead. Emergency Call, Magic Chant fast forward. And here comes Show Me Magic, Brad. As they race the last 450, Dragon May still the leader. And Magic Chant in between runners, Show Me Magic. Emergency Call running by Doral. Last 250, it's Emergency Call, Dragon May on the outside. Dragon May, Emergency Call. It's Dragon May regains the lead. Emergency Call and nearing the finish line. Scintillating run. Number 4, Dragon May, Emergency Call. Show Me Magic, Magic Chant, pass forward. Brad, Hero's Honor.